Hi, this is Naveed Haider. I'm one of the co-founders of Titans Education. আমি আমেরিকা থেকে বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় ওয়াশিংটন এন্ড লি ইউনিভার্সিটি আমি ফোর্থ ইয়ারে পড়ছি ওয়াশিংটন লি ইউনিভার্সিটিতে। ওয়াশিংটন লি ইউনিভার্সিটি হচ্ছে লেক্সিংটন ভার্জিনিয়াতে এবং এটি ইউএসের 9th ওল্ডেস্ট ইউনিভার্সিটি। সো ইটস অ্যাবাউট 280 years old. এবং রাইট নাও আই এম অন ক্যাম্পাস। What you can see behind me is the main colonnade building, যেটা সবসময় ছবিতে দেখা যায় আর কি। That is Big George up there, George Washington, who's one of the namesakes of the university and also the first president of United States. এবং আমি একটু দেখাই আমার এই ঠিক এই জায়গাটাতে, for example, you see this beautiful lawn and look at the beautiful sky. This is one of my favorite places to come on campus. যখন একটু ক্লাস শেষ হয়, একটু সময় পাই, এখানে এসে মনে করে একটা ম্যাট নিয়ে আসি এবং এখানে বসে সুন্দর মতো আকাশ দেখে অথবা আই স্টাডি। দেয়ার আর লট অফ কিডস যারা এখানে এসে ফুটবল খেলে, দে আইদার প্লে ফ্রিসবি, এবং ক্লাস শেষে এটা একটা মিলন মেলা হয়ে যায়। অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ ওয়ান অফ মাই ফেভারিট স্পটস টু কাম হিয়ার অন ক্যাম্পাস। I'm here today to talk a little bit more about Titans Education, a কোম্পানিটা কি আসলে এবং what we do এবং what are our aspirations. So Titans Education একটি কনসাল্টিং কোম্পানি যেটা কিনা স্পেসিফিকলি হাই স্কুল অর্থাৎ এইচএসসি বলেন, এ লেভেল বলেন বা কলেজ পর্যায়ে শিক্ষার্থীদেরকে নর্থ আমেরিকান ইউনিভার্সিটিস, whether it be Canada or US, আমরা ওদেরকে ডাইরেক্ট সাহায্য করি to get into those universities. And we're talking about top universities with a good financial aid / scholarship package. আমরা বেসিক্যালি এটা কিভাবে করি? We match our mentors with these high school aspirants এবং they work together throughout the 4 months of application season. So basically, who are our mentors? Our mentors are top students from Bangladesh who are in top universities in the US, for example, Harvard, Stanford, Princeton এবং অন্যান্য ইউনিভার্সিটিগুলো। এবং all of our mentors have secured significant amount of scholarship or financial aid. So what we do is we take these qualified mentors, take their expertise, take their experience, and try to match up with a high school student who needs the help to get into a university. So as a company, we are offering our first package, which is the complete consultancy package. তো আমাদের এই প্যাকেজে আসলে কি কি হচ্ছে বা আমরা কি কি করার চেষ্টা করছি? Number 1, we have strategic mentorship on common app application. Generally, every big university in the US uses one common application, and ওই অ্যাপ্লিকেশন দ্বারা আপনাকে অ্যাপ্লাই করতে হয়। It is a stressful process এবং অনেক খুঁটিনাটি জিনিসপত্র আছে যেগুলা আসলে অনেক প্রবলেম হয়ে দাঁড়ায়। And our expert mentors will be here to guide you through every stage of the way so that you don't face any kind of logistical difficulty and your stressful application period becomes a bit more easier. Secondly, we will try to help you pick the perfect fit colleges. So for example, college by university dhoka should not be the end goal. The goal should be to pick a university that best suits your values এবং that best suits you as an individual. কেননা that university will help you grow throughout these 4 years of undergraduate education. For example, if you have a real interest in AI or tech, what we'll try to do is try to match you with a college jeta kina AI othoba tech e specialize kore and can help you achieve your goal better. We'll also try to match you with universities or colleges who have the most potential of giving you financial aid, because to be honest, USA তে 2000 মতো registered universities আছে এবং সবাই international students থেকে financial aid দেয় না, which is quite unfortunate. But here is where our expertise comes in. আমরা যে সকল শিক্ষার্থী অলরেডি USA তে এসেছি এবং আমাদের এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আছে, what we can do is we have the expertise and knowledge to pick out those specific universities যেখানে তোমার aid পাওয়ার চান্স বেশি থাকবে. For example, when I got into Washington back in 2017, I got an aid of about $76,000 per year, which is about Bangladeshi টাকায় যদি আপনি হিসাব করেন তাহলে about 2.5 কোটি টাকার এডুকেশন আমি পাচ্ছি in the 4 years. Thirdly, we will also help you develop your story as an individual, it is very important to show the admissions that you are a person full of potential, that you have interests. What we are going to do is try to hear you out as a person. Apni ke? What do you do? What are your passions? And we will help you craft a beautiful story jeta kina admissions e tomake help korbe. What we are trying to do is trying to get you into a platform or into a structure jekhane you are best prepared to tell your own story and to tell it in a genuine and honest way, and that exponentially increases your chance of getting into a good college with better financial aid. Number 4, we will help you with your Common App and supplementary essays. প্রত্যেক ইউনিভার্সিটির কিছু রিকোয়ারমেন্ট থাকে এবং they probably give you essay prompts asking you maybe note any kind of extracurricular activities অথবা এমন কোনো কিছু কি হয়েছে আপনার জীবনে যেটা helped you grow into a better person. Essays are an important component of the application process because it is a medium through which আপনি বলতে পারবেন যে না আমি এই জিনিসটা করেছি and এই জিনিসটা আমাকে সাহায্য করেছে. It is very important to craft an essay which is free from grammatical errors, which is like correct punctuations এবং thematically essay order ta. So these are some of the things that Titans Education will help the students with. Our expert mentors with their experience will come in and say okay a essay could be crafted in a better way. অথবা এই essay কিছু specific grammatical errors আছে যেটা can be fixed. There is nothing called a perfect essay, but what we can assure you is we will help you get near perfection, and that is a promise from Titans Education. 5th, with our college consultancy package, you're getting a free SAT/ACT course included in it, and we have already recruited mentors, high-scoring ACT/SAT individuals from Oxford University, from Vanderbilt, from Davidson College. These people are here to give you time. You will have live classes with them. You'll have tons of tutorials which will help you prepare for the ACT or SAT exams better. এবং এখানে বলার আগে একটা জিনিস সেটা হচ্ছে যে we inherently understand that people who are coming from NCTB or national curriculum backgrounds have an inherent challenge যে ওরা ইংলিশে একটু দুর্বল হয়, and we have resources that can help you become better in English in as less than 3 or 4 months so that you can get to that almost near perfect score. This is something that we promise to help you with. As a company, we'll also be offering free advice and recommendations on technical fields like preparing your tax documents অথবা your bank statements and stuff like that. অনেক সময় যে জিনিসটা হয় সেটা হচ্ছে যে লাস্ট মুহূর্তে এইসব ছোটখাটো জিনিসপত্র চলে আসে which becomes a headache, and মাঝে মাঝে applicants cannot focus on their whole application because দেখা গেল যে তোমার ব্যাংক স্টেটমেন্ট আসে না অথবা you are not having a paper that you need. And this is coming from personal experience because আমি সব সময় last minute কাজপত্র করি, and so I understand how difficult it might be. When you're a part of Titans Education, what we will do is make sure you're way ahead on these kind of technical documents. We'll help you sort these things out. We'll make sure that তুমি একদম absolutely prepared as an applicant. You only have to on the last days of application, like December last weekend, you don't have to worry about any of those things. You only concentrate on crafting the best essay or going through last minute checks. We'll also help you, for example, if you have offers from multiple universities with multiple amounts of financial aid offers, what we'll do is help you negotiate. For example, X university আপনাকে $50,000 দিল অথবা and Y university আপনাকে দিল $70,000, but আপনার X university যেটা ভালো লাগে বেশি আপনার, that is your preference. What we will do is give you tips and tricks on how you can negotiate this aid with the university অথবা even choosing different kind of universities. You can come to us for our expertise and our own take on what university you should choose. Not even that, till the last moment যখন আপনি ভিসার জন্য যান সেখানেও যদি কোনো সাহায্য হয় Titans Education will be there for you, providing you free tips on how to navigate through those stressful visa interviews. So yeah, as a package, what Titans Education, our consultancy company, is here to do is to help prepare our students ekdom unconditionally to get into some of the best universities in the US or Canada with a good amount of scholarship. That is our promise to you. We are working hard every day, and we are working hard so that to make sure যে আপনাদের মতো স্টুডেন্ট যারা আসে আমাদের কোম্পানিতে they have a better future. So that's pretty much it. Again, my name is Naveed Haider. So some things about Titans Education. If you haven't checked out our website yet, this is the website link. And if you haven't still registered for our classes, or othoba you are still interested to know more about our forms, please fill up this pre-registration link. And please always connect with us through our Facebook link. And please drop a like or a comment in this video. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you have any questions, please comment below. Ami chesta korbo amar sorbatok chesta korbo to answer you with those questions. This is all for today. Thank you so much for listening to me. A warm goodbye from Lexington, Virginia.